Lovely day everyone! Kamusta po? Namaste! So today I found a new bag that I found from Mumi. So Mumi is a brand from the Philippines and they are creating different bags and shoes that are in faux leather material, and I am fond of buying from them since 2020 I think, and I found a new bag from their shop and I'm so happy that they have evolved. They have a new design on their dust bag, and it says say hello to your new favorite Mumi, and this is their shop, and I'll just link it below in case you want to buy something from them or if you're interested to buy the same bag from them. So now let's open. So this is the bag. I don't have many white bags in my collection, and I found this bag, and I also don't have any bucket bags yet. So when I saw this in white, I really would like to get it. So this is in faux leather material, but it's very soft, and it is a two-way bag. It can be carried in top handle style and also in crossbody. So there, the design, I like this design. It has the zipper on the front area, very smooth zippers. Mumi always have smooth zippers in their bags, so I really love it. And also they also use, in this bag they use a metal zipper, so that's a plus for me. It's a metal zipper. So in the front area, it has a big pocket. Such a big pocket. I think my phone will also fit in here. I'll just show you a little bit later. And on the inside, they have their logo and just a slit pocket with a brown fabric interior and there's a brown lining. So this is, they have their tag right here. Okay. I'm seeing a lot of bucket bags nowadays, and I think it's in trend, don't you think? Many people are using bucket bags, and since I don't have any bucket bags yet on my collection, so I decided to get this from Mumi. And now I would like to show you what I can fit inside of this very cute bag. And it can be worn in two ways, by using the top handle that cannot be removed. The strap cannot be removed. It's a fixed one, and one removable and adjustable long strap. So I love that I can replace this strap in any other strap that I would like to use. So now let's see what I can put inside this very gorgeous simple bag from Mumi. So on the front, let's first put some things on the front. I love the very smooth zippers. I really am a fan of smooth zippers. I can put tissue and also my thin key holder for easy access. And then I have here a thin card holder, and then my emergency medicines, my St. Raphael medallion, a pin for my phone, and then I also have here my thermometer, thin thermometer with extra band-aid, of course, pen that I would need, can easily get from the outside of the bag, and I think I can still fit a lot, but those are the things that I only have right now. On the inside, have here Sugar Dolls Pink Smoothie. This is a body mist from Sugar Dolls. Smells great and fun. Then if I have a big wallet from Parfois, this is a zip wallet, zip around wallet. It fits perfectly. Then I have here my phone. Just imagine this is my phone. And then I also have here, I have Maybelline compact powder. Let's just put it on the pocket inside. And then I have here my feminine napkins. I also have another key holder from my other key that I have bought. So I just put it in here. This is Lux Organics from Unclutes charcoal oil absorbing blotting paper. So it has a mirror here, and this is the for oily skin blotting paper. I also have another perfume, and the very favorite thing nowadays, I really love this design. This is the Girl Boss from Sugar Dolls, and this is just a simple color. This is in the color Diamond, and I am really a fan of the Dior lipstick and lip gloss, but that is very expensive for me, so I found this is a very nice alternative, and I really like the glitters in the gloss. This is very nice. If you would like to try it, they have this in their shop. I'll just link it below. I think I can fit more. Still a lot of room inside this bag. There. So this is the bag. This is how it looks like. I really think that this bag looks really classy to me, especially when I saw this color white. But I initially wanted to get the black in nylon. But when I saw this white, since I don't have many white bags in my collection yet, and I don't have a pocket bag in my collection with this drawstring style, so this caught my eye and I immediately purchased it right away, because I saw that they only have two pieces left, and I'm not really sure if they would producing more of this color, so I grabbed it right away. And I'm so happy that I did. This is so nice, looks classy, but it really is very affordable. Made in the Philippines in Marikina City from Mumi Bags. And again, I will link their shop on my description box below in case you're interested in getting their bags or this bag. So I really hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember to thank God for all the beautiful blessings. Till next time.